Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the new product that will certainly make your life easier. So let's begin.
In this video, you are going to learn about sustainable and long-term methods for generating passive income online. Stay until the end. Hello and welcome to our show on the best methods for generating passive income online. With so many opportunities available, it can be difficult to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this episode, we'll discuss the most sustainable and long-term methods for earning money online. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment. Would love to hear from you. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting someone else's products and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. But, to be successful, you need to find the right products to promote and build a large and engaged audience. Another great way to earn money online is by creating online courses or ebooks. If you have a skill or knowledge that others are willing to pay for, you can teach others and generate passive income. You can even set up a membership site for a recurring income each month. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies can also be a great way to generate passive income, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. You can start small and diversify your portfolio over time to reduce risk and maximize returns. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out. You can rent out your room or property on platforms like Airbnb or rent out your storage space on Stashbee. Lastly, if you have a technical background, consider creating a mobile application or software. You can sell your app or software on platforms like the App Store or Google Play and continue to earn money even when you're not actively promoting it. In conclusion, generating passive income online takes some initial effort and investment, but with the right strategy, it can be a great way to achieve financial stability in the long run. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, online courses and ebooks, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, renting out a room or property, or creating a mobile application or software, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online in a sustainable and long-term manner. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Click the link button in the description for more information.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.